with my company Regenerative, and this is the first time we're here exhibiting at Boston BioLife.
This is my third one, and I walk away every time going, as much as I think I know, there's a lot more to learn.
Just happy to be here. It's my first conference with this group, and I think it's cutting edge and it's absolutely worth my time.
Yeah, I think it's been a great conference. I've been in the medical space for more than 20 years, and I've gone to a lot of trade shows and a lot of conferences. I'd say that one of the differences with this event is that there's a lot of interaction.
The people are great. It's a great family, alumni, really, and the associations you've made and the contacts that have helped me.
And we're happy to be a part of this wonderful conference and hope to be back for the next one.
Certainly in a burgeoning new industry, this is a great place to be for anyone who's interested in regenerative medicine.
If you haven't gone to one, I highly recommend it.
I would recommend it.